Well, since we're on my phone waiting for the app to download, we can open my microphone. So excited. I bought the ones that had the most reviews. And they were pretty high. Actually, what is this? Oh, stickers. Love a good sticker. Okay, anyway, back to the microphone. Oh shit! I bought goddamn clips. Yay. Excited. Oh gosh, you guys, it's starting. Ah! Alright, so this freaking app is taking forever to download, but I have two mics here, one with the fuzzy noise reduction ones and one with the regular squishy heads, the sponge heads. The two clips that decided to attack me right out of the packaging. The charger case and oh my god, I'm so clumsy. And it has a dual port adapter, I believe, for charging. Yeah, charging, or if you want to connect the mic to your phone. Nope. If I guess the wireless dies. That's pretty cool. Oh, I have 3 clips. Fancy. Fancy that. Alright. So I'm just waiting on this app to finish downloading. Yeah. So I had to go get my fuzzy house coat. So I plan on using these things. I really wanted the mini camera one that's on the stabilizer, but I didn't feel like spending $200. I mean, I could have, but didn't feel like it. So for right now, I'll probably use this stuff for a while. Since I bought it now, I have to use it because I'm good for buying stuff and not using it. That's probably one reason why I've become very frugal spending with my money. Okay, interesting. So I need to figure out how to connect these. Yeah. Lightning hardware. Okay, so I can pause recording too. That's pretty cool. I like to read directions, guys. A lot of people don't. Like my dad, he's terrible at reading directions. He hates reading directions, and it's usually the simplest things. But I like to read directions so I don't have to try to struggle to figure out what I'm doing when I'm doing it. Directions and me, we do that. And yeah, I look a mess. I just woke up. I have to get better with I don't know, y'all not really gonna see me with makeup on like that because I'll be going outside, but we try to change that. And this is my first video, so it's probably gonna be kind of rough. Kind of rough. I don't really have too much going on right now. Okay.
Oh God, what is that?
I don't know. I'm just doing stuff. All right. Well, we'll figure that out later. But I think I got it connected. It's connected. Okay. Gimbal. All right, there we go. All right, so I'm learning how to use all of my stuff, and I'm excited.
So excited!
So yeah, I just have to kind of figure out if I want to do a full intro video or not. I don't know. Why is the gimbal? I need it centered. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Yeah, I have to figure out if I actually want it centered or not. If I actually want to do an intro video of like, this is me. Welcome. Hi guys, BTS Key here. I actually did do an intro video. You can catch it here on my channel. Please go view that. Anyway, back to the video. Thanks. Yeah, so yeah, we'll figure out what we're gonna do around here. But yeah, I know this is kind of an awkward first video. Me trying to figure out what the heck I'm doing with these things. But if you liked it, leave a comment on what you would like to see in the future. I have quite a few things going on soon, and I'll try to figure out like a posting schedule. But yeah, like and subscribe, share with the peeps. I don't have a cute outro, so yeah. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye. I want to try the thing. Come on.
Nope. 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 Nope.
It's not gonna work. Stupid gimbal.